Okay, so we're now going to start programming our program. In Java, um, there are a few things that you have to make sure that you do. One is that when you're writing code, that it goes inside some curly brackets. So you can see here that there's some curly brackets, and you've got an opening one here and a closing one here. And inside here, you've got another one. You've got another line of code, and it's got a curly bracket opening and a curly bracket closing. All of our code today has to go inside these two curly brackets. If you type anything outside these curly brackets, I'll just show you as an example. You'll get a red squiggly line, which means there's an error, meaning it can't run that code. So we're going to be writing all of our code inside these curly brackets. This bit here is a comment. Comments aren't run, but they help you, when you're programming, know what to do. So this has been added in by NetBeans to tell you that you can place your code here. So let's start with our code. The first line of code opens up our AQA console that allows us to print. So I'm going to type AQA console exactly as it's written here, but without the Java. So AQA console 2013. And then I'm going to do space and then type the word console and then equals new AQA console 2013. And then open and close normal brackets. So that's the ones above 9 and 0. Now to finish any line in Java, you always end it with a semicolon. So I've now got one line of code, and what this basically does at the moment is it allows us to use our console. So the console is the thing that's going to help us print. So let's do the fun bit and let's print. So we only need to write this once at the top of our program, and we can use it as much as we want throughout. So to print, I'm going to type console.print open bracket, and then in quotes, so shift 2, I'm going to write hello world, and then I'm going to end my line with a semicolon. So I've got no errors because I've got no red squiggly lines, and then I'm going to run my project. So that's the play button at the top, and it's going to run, and you see here that it's printed hello world, and then it's ended. So our program's run and it's worked really well. We can put whatever we want inside these quotes, so I may want to put my name, hello Mr. Quince. If I run again, it now says hello Mr. Quince. On the board, there'll be some other things that I want you to type for this hello.print to teach you the importance of syntax, so the rules in which we lay out our code. So have a look at the board and have a go at typing the different commands and trying to guess why there's errors and how you can fix them. Okay, off you go.